welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is very well today. I thought we would do Amazon Prime wardrobe haul. So I went on to Amazon. I am a Prime member and you do need to be a Prime member to access this service that Amazon offers. Basically, if you're a Prime member, you go on to Prime Wardrobe, you're allowed to pick 6 items. That can be anything between coats, clothing, shoes, hats, handbags, practically anything. As long as it's got that symbol that says on checkout, Prime Wardrobe, you'll be okay. You will not charge anything. For 7 days, you have this to try at home. So I think it's really good that you're not impulse buying and you have that time to try on and see whether these items are suitable for your budget and your needs. So before you were allowed 8 items, for some reason they've reduced it down to 6, which is still not a bad thing really, is it? So you get your goodies in a bag like this. This is the returnable bag, so anything you don't want, you can just pop it back in there. You then check out and you pay for what you want to keep. If you don't want to keep anything, you tell them that you're sending it back and you pay $0. So I just think it's a really good service to try before you buy, literally. So should we have a look at the few bits and bobs that I actually did purchase? So I got this Dorothy Perkins. I have no idea what it is because I can't remember. Black, comes in a bag. They're already individually wrapped, which again I think is a really good idea. And this is, what's this? Oh, this is a little maxi skirt that I got. Excuse me. Does it have splits? No, it doesn't. Okay, so it's elasticated. It's black. It's like a bodycon, I suppose. Long black maxi skirt, which I really, really do like. It may be a little see-through. Not sure. But I like that. And that is from the brand Dorothy Perkins. I can't remember the prices off the top of my head, guys. But when I'm doing the try on, I will put it on the screen for your information. So that's the first item. Look forward to trying that on. Right, okay. Next we have, this is from Find. This is Amazon's own branding. This is a casual dress in grey. So let's have a look at this. It's a nice colour grey. It's almost like sweater shirt, t-shirty material. I love the neck on this. It doesn't have any sleeves. That's my only gripe about this. It's got an elasticated waist with a full length skirt dress. So I quite like that. It'd be nice with a pair of sort of trainers. Very comfy, very stylish. I want to just have a split here. I have one that side. No, it doesn't. Just one side. So I quite like that, and I look forward to trying that on. That's really nice quality, actually. Very easy to wear. This will look equally good with like a pair of flip-flops or sandals or something. Very nice. Okay. And then I got an empty bag. This is a little top. I bet you guys are really shocked to pick this, aren't you? Because you guys know I don't do flowers. But I just like this. It has really pretty colour. And I like the design of it. This is from, who's this from? Mela London. Not sure who that is. But look at this, guys. Is this not beautiful? Look at the sleeves on that. It's see-through. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the neck on this. Pretty, pretty. Not my usual thing, guys, is it? But I think that just looks so nice. Not sure what I'm going to wear it with, but I do like it. It's very pretty. Okay. Next we have, what's this? Well, it doesn't say what this is or who it's by. Ooh. Oh, this is by Find. This is by Amazon's own. Oh, this is like a jumper dress. I like this. It's like a skater dress. So it's kind of like black with like these flecks in. I think that's quite cute. It's quite flowery at the bottom. So I think they call that a skater dress, if I remember correctly. So yeah, I look forward to trying that. I like that. Okay. And final piece is, what's this? I think this is the top. What is this? Oh, it is, it's a dress. Goodness, I wondered what the hell it was there for a minute. Okay, so as you can see, this is a little dress. How cute is this? So nice. Got slits at the side, it's very see-through. So black underwear cutters. It's got this beautiful high neck, no sleeves. And I have no idea what this is for, guys. I cannot remember what that is for. Is it a belt? There's no loop. Oh, there is. No, there's not. I don't know what that's for, guys. I have no idea. But a pretty design, don't you think? Stars, moon. How cute is that? Again, that will look just lovely with a pair of sandals of some sort. I really like that. Who's that by? This is by... Oh, this is by Find. Amazon again. Now, I do find that Find can be a little bit pricey. So, depending on what you're looking for. Okay, I'll put that back in there. That's that, and my final are these sandals. How cute and lovely are they? Look the heel, not too high, and they come in a wide foot. Right, so that's my haul. As you can hear, the doorbell's ringing. I'm going to go try this lot on, and I'll be back shortly. See you soon. Bye. Hi guys, so this is the first outfit. It's this pretty little grey dress. I have to say this is so comfortable to wear. I think this was something like £11–12, which I think is really good value. It's not too thick, it's not too heavy, but it's thick enough to say that it's half decent quality. Cinches you in a little bit at the waist because it's got quite a thick waist, elasticated waist there, so it helps cinch you in a little bit. It's got a little tiny slit at the side. You know, this is going to be a fun little piece to wear with a nice white pair of pumps, which I'm going to have to buy because I've got so many things that will go with pumps and I haven't got any plain white ones. So, what do you think, guys? Is this a thumbs up? Is this a keeper? You know what to do. Write in the comments and let me know. Okay, I'll be back in a minute with the second item. Hi guys, so back with another two pieces. So first of all, we'll start with this little top. What do you guys think of this? My grandson is down there shaking his head. Nope. He doesn't like it. I kind of do. I liked it better on the model than myself. It's not something I will be probably keeping. But all the same, I think it is really, it's a pretty little piece. It also is lined at the front, but at the back, don't know if you guys can pick that up, but it's got no lining on the back, which I think is totally different. But I do kind of like it. I just wanted to go out my comfort zone a little bit from my normal, and this is definitely out of my comfort zone. I like the principle of it. Right, onto the skirt. What can I say about the skirt? Love, love, love the skirt. Very easy to wear. Dress it up, dress it down. What more can I say? It's comfortable. I don't know if it's see-through. Possibly a little bit. But that's okay. Got pants on. So yeah, I like this. It's good length. I'm not going to be tripping over it. And like I say, it's easy to wear with a top like this, or a t-shirt, sweatshirt. Yeah, like that. Okay, I'm going to jump out of this and be back in a minute with the next outfit. Hi guys, so what do we think of this little dress? I like it. I like the neck. Gives it a bit of style. I'm not that keen getting my arms out. Not sure about this. This is where this goes. I wasn't sure initially. I've forgotten that there's a little tie thingy. It's got little slits either side. Easy to wear. It's comfortable. Kind of reminds me of like a Japan vibe thing, like the design of it. I quite like it. The material is like dressy sort of material, and it's see-through. Who cares, as long as I wear pants. So, in the comments, let me know what you think of this, guys. I really like it. I think it's cute. Okay, hang fire, next outfit, see you in a minute. Hi guys, last outfit, cute little dress here. I quite like this. I'm not sure it's the right time to be purchasing this, probably more of an autumn piece rather than spring, summer. But I do like it. I could see me wearing a black thick pair of tights, pair of booties, knee-high boots in this. I think it look really cute. I like it. It's comfortable, there's movement. I do feel like it emphasises my waist a little bit, so it does give me a bit of curvature. So yeah, I really do like this actually. I can't remember how much I paid for it, or paying for it. Yeah, it's alright. So, I'm going to get this off and then we'll go through pricing and my thoughts in a minute. Bye for now. Hi guys, so we are back with the final part of my video, just to go through pricings and my final thoughts on what I will probably keep and what's going back. So, let's start with the little chiffon dress. So this was, if you remember, the Stars and Moon one. This is by Find, and it's £21.36, and they also do this in a gorgeous red colour as well, which is very, 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 very pretty. I'm thinking about keeping this, not sure, let me know what you think, guys. Next was the long sleeve ribbed dress, that's that one, like skater skirt. This is also by Find. It's £23. It's also available in the colours green, grey and burgundy. And the prices range between 19 up to 23, depending on what colour you want. Now, I think this is a really nice dress. Not something I'm going to keep just now, but I definitely will revisit this dress and probably order it again closer to autumn, winter time. It's not needed now, and it's pointless wasting money on something that I'm not going to get to wear for the next few months. So, but I do like it. I do think it looks nice on. I think it's very flattering, and it's definitely something that I would definitely purchase. Next was the jersey dress. That was the grey one with the elasticated waist. I really like this. It's so, so, so comfortable. Unfortunately, they don't do any other colours, because I would have been tempted to go ahead and look for different colours in this. Now, this was £11.96, which I think is a really good price. The quality was definitely there. It wasn't too thick that you're going to sweat, but it wasn't too thin that you could see through it. Perfect. And I do feel like that will wash up really well as well. Next, we had the Mela top, which was this one. So unfortunately with that, I like the principle of it, I like the colours of it, I just wasn't happy with the way it sat on my shoulders. The material's quite It's chiffony, so it's quite a warm piece to wear. It was also very long on me. I don't know, something about it wasn't just quite right. I like it, but maybe just not on me, if that makes sense. And the top there is £24.24. Where did they get these odd numbers from? Right, next it was the little sandals. Now I didn't try them on in this haul, but I did try them out in my Stitch Fix. So if you want to see what they look like, head across to my Stitch Fix video, because I wear them with all my try-ons on that. These are from New Look. They're called the Payte. They're £25.99, and I actually got the wide fit in them. These again, I'm on the fence whether to keep these guys. I really do need your advice. I do like them. I'm not one for really heels, but these are not too bad. I'm just concerned paying the money whether I will actually wear them and get the wear out of them that I really ought to. So come on guys, give me a bit of help. Do I keep them or do I send them back? And last but not least was the long black maxi dress from Dorothy Perkins. This I think is a little bit expensive, however I do really like it. Do feel like the quality is there. It fit in all the right places and it costs £18. So guys, do you think this is worth £18? I do like it, and I know that I've got a lot in my wardrobe that I could actually wear this with. Okay, so the whole 6 items come to £129.68. So when you look at that from subscription box to this thing, it's 6 pieces, not 5. You're not getting any discounted. I don't know. This way you get to pick what you want. The other way, obviously, you're having the stylist to kind of pick it for you. So I don't know, guys. What do you think? What is the benefit of having a subscription box with a stylist, or going online onto Amazon Prime Wardrobe and picking the pieces that you want yourself? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, if you like these kind of videos and you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like button and leave your most welcome comments. I do look forward to reading them. If you'd like to see more videos from yours truly, click that one or that one. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that one. Until my next video, take care. Speak to you soon. Bye for now. Bye.